Good morning to all of you. Class 12th, subject English, topic advertisement. Dear students, in writing section, question number 3rd, there will be short composition. For example, notice, advertisement, poster making, and invitation. So today we will take the session on advertisement. You will note down the important points regarding this topic. Advertisement is a short composition in the form of a notice, picture, etc., informing people about a product, job, or service. It is generally inserted in newspaper or shown on the TV. Its main aim is to publicize products. Advertisements are of two types. Number 1, classified advertisements. Number 2, display advertisements. Classified advertisements. These are brief advertisements which are placed in the classified section of the newspaper. They are termed as classified because they are grouped in categories according to the goods or services. They are advertising sample of advertisement. First, situation vacant. These are advertisement related to jobs. Now there are some value points of such advertisements. Number 1, begin with wanted or required. We should begin job advertisement with the heading situation vacant, with beginning with wanted or required. Then name of the post, number of post. Preferences in such advertisements are mention sex, age, previous experience, etc. Then mention salary, scope for promotion, application, interview schedule, and after that address, and in the end mention contact number. Second, number 2, advertisements regarding buildings, houses, etc., which are offered to give on rent. We give to let heading to such advertisement. So first of all, give the heading to let for these advertisements. Here are some value points. First one, mention type of accommodation. After that, description, number of bedrooms, bathroom, etc. Facilities, supply, water supply, electricity supply, then contact address and phone number in the end. Sale and purchase of property. Value points of such advertisement. First, give the title. Something is for sale. For example, car for sale, property for sale, house for sale, flat for sale, etc. Here are some value points. Begin with available. Then mention type of accommodation, vehicle, description of property. Then mention about size, number of room, area, name of society, electricity, sewage condition. Then mention location and description of the vehicle. You can mention regarding vehicle, for example, model, year of manufacturing, color of vehicle, accessories, condition of the vehicle, mileage done, household goods. Some points regarding household goods. If you want to sell the household goods, for example, furniture for sale. So some value points are brand of the goods, model, material of which it is made, condition of that thing, and finally, in the end, contact and phone number. There are advertisements regarding matrimonials. For example, bride wanted or bridegroom wanted. So heading will be bride wanted or bridegroom wanted. Here are some value points. Detail of boy, girl, age, height and complexion, etc. Education and professional qualification. You will mention about the job, salary of boy or girl. Detail of family, caste, religion, etc. Any preferences, etc. PO box number and finally contact number. Here are some advertisement about educational, about coaching center, any educational institution. Some value points regarding these advertisement. You will remember these value points. Mention name of the institution. Then mention the courses offered by you. Eligibility condition. Facility provided by that institution. Mention about fee structure. Last date for registration can be mentioned. And in the end, contact address and phone number. Now some advertisements about tour and travel. So heading will be of tour and travels. Here are some value points. Tell about the tour package. Then destination and duration. Detail of food, boarding, lodging, etc. Cost and discount if any. Then in the end, name of travel agency, address and phone number. Then there are some sample of advertisement. For example, you want to sell your flat as you are going abroad. So draft an advertisement for it to be published in the Tribune under classified column. So we can give the heading flat for sale. Of this advertisement, we can give the heading flat for sale. Dear students, write the heading in capital letter in the center of the line. And then you will mention the detail, a beautifully furnished flat on the ground floor having 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, dining room, drawing room, lobby and space for parking is available for sale in CHD City Karnal. Owner going abroad. Interested party may contact on the given mobile number. Now, home assignment for you. You have started a computer center. So draft an advertisement for it in the Tribune in about 50 words.